Good morning, class. So, for today's topic, our lesson is about the possessive nouns. So, if you don't know what is possessive nouns shows ownership or possession. So, let's now take a look at this possessive nouns. Possessive nouns tells who or what owns something. Again, possessive nouns, it tells who or what owns something. So there are rules for forming possessive nouns. First rule, add an apostrophe, this is an apostrophe, and s to a singular noun to make a possessive in form. So for example, Carla's pair of sandals came from her Aunt Gina. Okay? Carla's pair of sandals came from her Aunt Gina. Carla is a singular noun. That's why we add apostrophe and s to make it a possessive form of noun. Next one. Add an apostrophe to a plural noun that ends with s to make it possessive in form. So for example, the class advisor signs her students' diaries every day. So the plural noun is the students. The plural noun that ends with s, the students. So we don't have to add another s after the apostrophe. We can just add apostrophe to it to make it a possessive in form. So students with apostrophe at the end of the word. Next, add an apostrophe and s or like this to a plural noun that does not end with s. For example, the female faculty members of Don Bosco, Manila, won the women's division in the International Women's Volleyball League last month. Okay? Woman is a plural form of woman. Okay? It is a plural form of woman. So, but this plural form is not do not end with s. It ends with letter n. That's why we add apostrophe s to make it a possessive form. Okay? The female faculty members of Don Bosco, Manila won the women's division in the International Women's Volleyball League last month. So they are the winner. Okay? The women's. They are. They won the volleyball league last month. Okay? Not the other women, but the Don Bosco Manila women's. Okay? They won the trophy. Next, for joint ownership, add an apostrophe and s to the name of the last owner to make the noun possessive in form. For example, Paula and Pauline's storybook was kept in the bookshelf. Paula and Pauline's. So there are not only one but two owner of the storybook. Okay? Paula and Pauline. So to make it a possessive form, we can add apostrophe and s at the last owner. Okay? The last owner. Paula is the first and Pauline is the last owner of the storybook. Okay? That's why we add apostrophe s to Pauline's name to make it a possessive form. The, their storybook, which is Paula and Pauline's storybook, was being kept in the bookshelf. Maybe their storybook was a very interesting one to read. So, I hope you understand our lesson for today. And thank you for your listening.